So journaling helps you see, is your life going in circles? Is your life going down? Or is it going up? Are you achieving your goals and dreams? Are you going in around in circles being your own vice? Or are you simply losing as you go along? What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you something that will change your life. So in the next couple of minutes, I want you to make sure that you tune in and tune in well. My name is Edouard Gilles, and I'm a personal development speaker and talk show host. Now, these are my journals. Now, the most successful people in the world are avid journalists. They don't write articles, but they journal. They write articles about themselves. I'll be doing about how to properly journal, because I've been an avid journaler since 2015. Is what exactly is journaling? So, when we think about journaling, we often mistake it with a diary. So journaling is not a diary. Journaling is not a series of events that's happening day to day. It can be a part of it, but journaling is a sum total of your goals and aspirations, your daily schedule, different bits of information that you gain, so wisdom and knowledge that you've found out, that you've listened to, that somebody says, a contact that you want to save. It's also a review that you can do. So journaling has more to do than just tracking down what you do every day. The art of journaling. Now, I say art. Why do I call journaling art? So our lives is a mosaic. Our lives is pretty much a portrait, and the journaling of our life is painting that portrait on paper so that you can review to see how great of an artist you've been, or what can you improve on your work. So when we journal, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should start journaling. Reason number 1, for what it will make of you. What it will make of you. What do I mean by that? When you journal, you automatically see yourself in the 1% of the population. So what that means is you're going to have increased self-confidence. So that's number 2. Now, let's keep in mind that number 1 is the underlying factor of all the other things I'm about to tell you. What it will make of you is that it will lead into being more self-confident. Third, it will lead into more organized life. Organized life entails organized planning, organized goals, organized plans, organized dreams. So when you journal, it will make of you that you will become a lot more self-confident. At the same time, you will be a lot more organized. So you will have effective planning, organized goals, organized plans, and it will give you a structure to create organized dreams. Now, these are the first 3 reasons why you should journal. Let's go to reason number 4. Better mental clarity. Now, why do you need better mental clarity? Your mind is like a supercomputer. You know, you've heard that plenty of times. There's information from all types of situations all tangled up there. So what if you can put your thoughts on paper? That way you can literally see, have a better visual of the art of your life. So it increases your better mental clarity. Now, that's just one aspect of the increase of your mental clarity. Now, as you start to analyze what you're doing, you can kind of see what's happening and noticing the cycle. So with better mental clarity leads to you understanding your life cycle. Now, this is very important here, understanding your life cycle. Understanding your life cycle. Our lives is a cycle, right? Now, when we think about a cycle, what do we think of? We think of arrows going in a roundabout, going in circles. Or we could think about the cycle of progression. Or we could think about the cycle of regression. But if we don't put it down, how do we know which cycle we're a victim or a victor of? So journaling helps you see, is your life going in circles? Is your life going down? Or is it going up? Are you achieving your goals and dreams? Are you going in around in circles being your own vice? Or are you simply losing as you go along? So this is reason number 4. It gives you better mental clarity of why and how and what is going into your life. Now, to conclude the video, I'm going to tell you reason number 5 why you should journal. Reason number 5. You will achieve a lot more. Achievement is the number 1 reason, although it's the number 5 on our list, is the number reason why you should journal. Achievement. When your goals and dreams are right in your face, you cannot rest until they happen. And every time that you look at them, I say you have positive guilt. I have to do these. Oh, look at these goals. I didn't do them. For instance, I have about 5 journals. Sometimes I go back and review them, and I look at the goals and dreams that I had for 2015, and I compare them with the ones from 2019, and then I say, well, you didn't accomplish it. Guess what? From those old lists, you can create new lists. So having a journal allows you to go back and analyze the missed goals. Now, a lot of goals are never accomplished because they're never written down. Now, that's for the next lesson of why you should start journaling, is what is the importance of writing things down and how that can lead to not only great success, but also can lead to the documentation of your life. Your life matters. The world needs to hear your story, and one day you're going to want to write a book. So when you think about the journal, think about the gift that you'll be able to give to your kids, to your grandkids, and most importantly to the world. But to begin with, the gift that you can give to yourself. So this is the number 1 of the series called The Art of Journaling. My name is Edouard Gilles, and I'm a personal development speaker and talk show host. And I want to remind you that you have the unlimited power in you to achieve whatever that you want. First, you must believe it, and every day you must constantly journal your way to success and greatness. As I do it myself, I'm going to showcase to you some of these useful tips that I've gotten and that I have applied and created through my own experiences. So stay tuned for this series called The Art of Journaling. Now, I don't know when I will be consistently posting these videos, but just be on the lookout for these videos. They're not going to just be about journaling. They're going to be about goal setting. They're going to be about the 80-20 rule. They're going to be about personal development. They're going to be about taking notes. They're going to be about they're going to be about time management. So the art of journaling have a lot of components in the world of personal development. So I hope that you tune into this series. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you share this to a friend so that they can understand the difference between journaling and diary, and so that they can start this process of achieving greatness. Once again, you have unlimited power in you and you can achieve it, but first you got to believe it for that to happen. Thank you.